Grey zone. This is an area for the wearer to scrub up and put on the main cleanroom attire. White zone. This is a clean area where the wearer changes into their cleanroom footwear. The wearer is required to remove facial cosmetics and jewellery. Bouffant cap and overshoes are to be worn prior to entering the grey zone, if needed. Sanitize hands prior to donning the first sterile gloves. Carefully retrieve the content from the packaging. Open the inner wrap using the flaps. Once opened, press down on the corners of the inner wrap to keep it opened wide. Grip firmly at the folded cuff and slide the other hand into the glove. Pull the folded cuff towards the wrist. Slip the fingers of the gloved hand into the folded pocket of the folded cuff. Slide the other hand into the glove and unfold the cuff over the sleeve. Decontaminate tabletop with sterile wipes and alcohol. Use new surface of wipe for each wiping. Retrieve the contents from the packaging. Each S-BDKM kit contains a coverall with collar, overboots and a hood with integrated face mask. All essential components for head-to-toe protection in a single package. Avoid touching the external surface of the hood. Center your chin and position the hood over your forehead. Adjust the front flap to a comfortable position. Finish donning the hood by tying the face mask ties at the back of the hood. Only touch the inner surface of the coverall. Grab the coverall at the waist area. Roll the waist to raise the legs and sleeves. Insert one leg into the coverall and repeat with the other leg. Bring the coverall up towards the shoulder, then insert the arms into the sleeves. Tuck the yoke of the hood inside the coverall. Cross your legs and zip up the coverall fully. Remove the backing liner and stick the flap over the zipper. Insert thumbs into thumb loops. Pull the goggles headband over the hood. Adjust the goggles to ensure no exposed skin. tighten the headband for a secure fit. Place one foot into the boot. Undo the bottom pre-tied ties and securely tie them around the front of your leg. Undo the top pre-tied ties and tie them securely around the front of your leg. Move your donned foot to the clean side of the gowning area. Repeat the process for the other foot. Then move both donned feet into the clean side of the gowning area. Your overboots are now donned. Retrieve the outer glove. Grip firmly at the folded cuff and slide the other gloved hand into the outer glove. Pull the folded cuff towards the wrist. Slip the fingers of the sterile hand into the pocket formed by the folded cuff. Slide the other gloved hand into the sterile gloves and unfold the cuff over the sleeve. Use the sterile hand to unfold the cuff of the first sterile glove until it overlaps the sleeve. Ensure all the coverall and accessories are correctly fastened and secured prior to entering the clean room. There should be no skin, hair or inner coverall exposed.